question we're told that a sesame seed weighs 3.6 times 10 to the minus 6 kilograms. Strange units to use for measuring a sesame seed kilograms. And we're also told that the weight of a poppy seed is 8% of the weight of a sesame seed. We're asked to calculate the weight of a poppy seed in kilograms. Answer in scientific notation. I remember scientific notation is in this form where we've got a number between 1 and 10, that's A there, times 10 to the power and some number which is an integer. It could be -3, -2, etc. Or 1, 2, 3 and so on. So that's scientific notation. So let's work out the weight of a poppy seed. And it does tell us that it's 8% of 3.6 times 10 to the minus 6, and that's weighed in kilograms. Now, what is 8%? Well, we know it's 8 hundredths. As a decimal, it's 0.08. So that's 0.08 times 3.6 times 10 to the minus 6 kilograms. So that's basically the calculation we must do. So let's proceed with this calculation. Several ways to do this. One is to just do what it says, just using the normal buttons in the calculator. That would be 0.08 multiplied by 3.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power, that's the y to the power x button in my calculator, and then a -6. So that's a -6, and I've put that in brackets. And that gives me, in scientific notation, 2.88 times, and this e to the -7 means times 10 to the power -7, and that'll be kilograms. And we'll check that this number lies between 1 and 10, which it does, and this is times 10 to a power of an integer. -7 is an integer. There are other ways of doing that calculation. We could do 0.08 times 3.6. Now that gives us 0.288, and then use the EE button, which your calculator is likely to have. This button means times 10 to the power of. So pressing that, times 10 to the power of, and then we need a -6. And I think we can just put in -6 even without the brackets on this. And there it is again, 2.88 times 10 to the -7. That's Mr. Corsi signing out. Hope you enjoyed the video.